Let's make this beautiful lehenga in cream and golden combination and coral green. Let's begin. I've taken 2 meters of net fabric and cut the required length, which is 22 inches, and the remaining fabric I'm going to use for the dupatta. And now I've folded it into 8 parts and I'm cutting the panels. The size of the panels is 2 inches at the top and 6 inches at the bottom. And I've joined all the panels together to get this amazing flare. Next thing up is to put lining for this. I'm using the same satin fabric in same color, and underneath that I'm going to use a soft cotton lining. So there are 2 layers of lining in this, and on the top I place the paneled skirt. And then I have made this matching lace by taking a golden color fabric and attaching a green embroidered lace on it. The leftover fabric for dupatta was too big, so I took few extra panels from that as well and added to the skirt. So the flare came out to be more than 2 meters and a good flare with all these panels and the heavy border that is attached. It was looking nice and open. So this is the look in daylight, the color and the border. And at the waistline I have added elastic. You can put 22 to 24 inch elastic depending upon the age, but 4 to 6 years you can put 24 inches of elastic. So this is how it looks. There's a lot of flare and the border is looking really amazing on this. Now let's make the dupatta for this. With the leftover net and the lace, I have attached the border on all 4 corners, and it's really beautiful. The shiny, the net is a little bit shiny shimmer net, and the lace has beautiful embroidery. So this is a cute dupatta that is ready for the lehenga. Now let's make the blouse for this. I've taken an embroidered net fabric, and for lining I've taken buttercream and golden santoon fabric with little shine. These are the measurements for cutting, the front and the back side. So I have cut 2 linings, the santoon fabric and the buttercream fabric, both for the front as well as the back. I'm going to place the santoon fabric underneath, and on top I'm going to keep the buttercream and stitch everywhere around the corner except the sides. Cut the extra fabric and put slits all around, and after that we're going to flip it inside out. This is how it looks. The front and the back both done neatly. This is the front and the back. Now we're going to join the shoulders first and then the sides. On the side I have put 3 stitches, that is for extra fitting and loosing. You can make it loose or tight accordingly. And on the front side I've added a piece of small lace from the dupatta. At the back I'm going to cut at the back and make provision for either zipper, or you can use hooks and buttons. So I'm going to attach hooks on it. That's it, the blouse is ready. This is a complete set: the skirt, the dupatta and the blouse. Ideal for festive wear, and this is how it looks. The skirt has got an amazing flare because of the borders and the panel umbrella anarkali cutting, and it's looking so pretty. The color combination is just so cute.